Rijkswaterstaat is always looking for ways to make the maintenance of bridges, tunnels and locks more efficient. This means not too soon, because that's a waste of money. But certainly not too late either, because installations might break down. Predictable maintenance helps to schedule maintenance at precisely the right time. So, how does it work? Consider this lock. It contains smart sensors that track all kinds of data, such as electricity consumption, engines turning on and off, and the movement of the lock gates. Is the lock using more electricity than usual? Then we will see if there is a logical explanation. Weather conditions, for example. We combine the data from the sensors with data from other sources about temperature, wind direction, water level, and so on. And if this doesn't explain the high electricity consumption, then we investigate if additional maintenance or replacement of parts is necessary. Information from sensors is currently only available per location. That will change with predictable maintenance. Data is tracked and stored centrally. As a result, we can easily compare an installation at location A with similar installations at other locations. This way, we get a clear picture of the technical condition, and the supervisor then knows exactly what kind of maintenance is needed. Predictable maintenance offers many advantages for tunnels, bridges, and locks. It extends the life of the installation and increases their reliability. This means fewer disruptions and less rerouting of traffic. It also prevents unnecessary maintenance and energy consumption, which will save costs in the long run. This way, Rijkswaterstaat works efficiently to provide installations that are well equipped for the future.